Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to get 120 FPS and 120 Hz in Fortnite on Xbox Series. Press the start button, then go to settings, then go to graphics. Now press X from the controller and go to home. Then go to settings from top right. In the general, go to TV and display options. Then go to video, fidelity and overscan. Then select the overrides as HDMI. Now go back and click on display. Then select the resolution low. Now click on refresh rate and select it as 120 Hz. Now go to game, then turn on 120 FPS mode. By following these steps, you can get 120 FPS and 120 Hz in Fortnite on Xbox Series. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.